For your health tip today, we are going to look at the E in New Start. E represent exercise. How does exercise then help us to live longer and live better? Well, firstly, exercise just helps you feel good overall. If you're having a bad day, go take a walk and see how that improves your mood. Exercise also strengthens the heart. Now, this is really relevant and important because we live in a day and age where heart disease and cardiovascular disease are a big issue. So we want to do anything that will allow us to strengthen our hearts. And one of those things is exercise. Now, exercise also lowers our blood pressure. Yes, for those who may have blood pressure issues, one of the good ways to help manage that is definitely to get out and walk. We find that oftentimes many individuals, when they become sick, one of the things that they don't do, and usually they're not doing it in the first place, is exercise. We stop exercising. Exercise also helps lower our cholesterol. What it does is it lowers the LDL, which we call the bad cholesterol, and it raises the HDL, which we call the good cholesterol. And that's what we always want. Exercise also strengthens the bones. How does it do that? Well, it helps our bones to retain calcium and other minerals that is so vital and important. The thing about it is that most of us, as we age, instead of getting more exercise in, we get little to no exercise. And the times when we need to ensure that our bones are strengthened is as we get older because our bones seem to become weaker. Exercise also helps with depression. Do you know that Dr. Neil Nedley, who is one of those physicians who is foremost in the treatment of depression, says that when it comes to treating depression, walking is one of those things that he uses. Sometimes people have to walk for a shorter time and some people a longer time. Any which way, exercise is part of their regimen. Exercise also helps relieve anxiety and stress. And as I mentioned at the beginning, if you feel stressed and just need a break, just go out and walk. Walk around your house, walk around your office building, walk around wherever you are, and you will see how that has a way of releasing good, happy endorphins and just making you feel better. Exercise also helps with weight control. Now, there are many people who have an issue with weight. One of those things to do is to just get out and walk, get the body moving. It will help you to burn fat. It will help you to build muscle. And these are things that you need in order to help you with your weight control. Exercise also improves circulation. Now, remember this one thing, and you'll hear me mention it from time to time. Anything that improves your circulation is what you want to do. And exercise is one of those things that help with improvement of circulation. When your circulation is improved, your mind becomes clearer because that means good, healthy blood is rushing to your mind. Also, you sleep better. And who among us do not want good sleep? So exercise encourages and helps with better sleeping. Exercise also helps with healing because anything that encourages good blood encourages healing. In the night when we sleep, so if we're sleeping better, better healing occurs. So we definitely want to make sure that we are exercising. So what kind of exercise then do I recommend? Exercise should never be complicated and it should never be expensive. The best form of exercise that we have that is available to us all is to walk. I know that over the last 2 years or so, many of us got out of the habit of walking, but now it's time to get back into that habit of walking. It doesn't cost you anything. It just costs your commitment. And for those of you who may not feel safe or may not be able to walk, you can stay in your apartment, walk up and down the hallway, or walk up and down, go from room to room, or go up and down your stairs. Or even if you have issues with your leg, you can sit down and you can move your arms, move your legs. The point is, ensure that every day you are moving. You are moving. That is going to promote health. It's going to help you to maintain health, but it's also going to help you regain health. Have a wonderful day.